Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unboxing my new Mini GT. So let's go. Okay guys, so my parcel already arrived. So I want to open. What car is this? So let's go.
2 hours later.
So here the packaging. Okay. Buka kat sini. Benda okay. So I open it. So my parcel already arrived. So here this is the packaging. It looks so nice. Okay, so I want to open it. Let's go. So here it is. The Liberty Diesel Hawk Nissan GT-R white color. Okay, so let's open it. $168. Okay, so let's open. Okay, let's open. So we open it. So here the front, if you can see, and then let's open. So here. Nice. So let's see it. Here you can see the carbon roof, carbon bonnet, and carbon front bonnet, and then you can see the spoiler, carbon spoiler. Okay. Actually I bought this around RM40 from Shopee. Okay, and then here side and at the back. So nice. If you interested on this car, I can give the link. The link is on the below, so you can check it out. Okay.
Сутки малые, мы летим на линк. Думали, сдамся, но я лишь топил. Качаюсь скилл, делаю стиль. Работаем много, мы мутим нули. Сутки малые, мы летим на линк. Придумали, сдамся, но я лишь топил. Качаюсь скилл, делаю стиль.
Sexy, I'm in love with her brain. Man, she's stuck on my mind. She only speaks when she has an epiphany. Kind of girl you wanna fuck all the time. Ride me like I'm genuine. I suck on her nipple, she's sucking on mine. She told me hit it from behind. I stroke it, I pull it.